Inner Bloom has a 30-day challenge starting on the 1st of July. This is a self-paced challenge, so if you've seen this message or not signed up yet and it's past the 1st of July, you can still join because it's going to be available for you to do at your own pace. What you get on this 30-day challenge is one lesson every single day. And there's a link in my description to take you to where the 30-day challenge app is, where you can find out more information on it. In this app, it shows you what the 30-day challenge is about and also the content that will be shared, the topics that will be shared during this 30-day challenge. So the first 6 days are about becoming her. So when you click on the information, it'll share with you what's going to be shared on those 6 days. It talks about you are already her. This is where your transformation begins. Confidence is courage in motion. Your thoughts are an effect of your identity and shifting that identity and how to trust in yourself again. So that's the first 6 days. The next 6 days are about your story being your superpower. So in this is your life is your message, own it and share it. The next 6 days will be about content creation, turning what you learn into influence, turning influence into income. So having that creator mindset. Stop creating content and start creating conversation. The next 6 days is about the psychology of buying, understanding why people buy and speak to them in a way so that they don't feel sold to. And then the final section of the challenge is about building wealth. So freedom is created before it's experienced. And in this app, there is some audios that you can listen to before you decide to join. And you can listen to the content and listen to the founder, Sammy, explaining this challenge and seeing whether this is a good fit for you. This is an opportunity to get into Inner Bloom, seeing all the courses, because as well as this challenge, you also have access to all the courses in Inner Bloom. The 70 plus coaches and healers that have put the classes together, the courses inside Inner Bloom, you'll also get access to those. And you'll get that support companion that I spoke about in my last video, where you can say how you're feeling, write down what's on your mind, and it'll put together that personalized toolkit for you with that EFT tapping sequence, some mindful techniques, some journaling prompts, and also those courses to help you in that moment when you need it the most. So if you're interested in learning more about this 30-day challenge and Inner Bloom, click on the link in my description and it'll take you to all the information that you need. So thank you for listening, and I'm going to be sharing more content of what I'm learning inside Inner Bloom with you.